and not waiting until your old age, right? So we try to compare, because we're learning the Gemara, the whole different. Listen to this. So because we're learning the Gemara in the Yerushalmi about the whole concept of Safek Yom, Safek Laila, what's Ben Hashmashot, and so on and so forth, right? So I said to the guys that if we're going to compare our lives to a day, so Amud HaShachar to Hanetzach Hama is going to be until from day 0 until you're 20. From Hanetz to midday, from sunrise to midday, that's 20 to 40. You know, you still have some vigor in you, you're active, you have optimism, it's already good, right? Terrific. 40 is midday. 40 is midday. You still have koach. A lot of time has passed, but it's coming to an end. You already passed half of it. 40 to 60 is what we say. 40 to 60 is, no, 40 to 60 is between midday and sunset. 60 to 70 is Ben Hashmashot. When we're not quite sure whether it's day or whether it's night, that's the time that you have to stop doing certain melachot that you cannot do anymore, like we have on Shabbat. Certain melachot, Ben Hashmashot, you have to stop because it's like this. 70 to 80 is already Tzeta Kochavim. The only thing you see is stars. It's darkness and the only thing you see is stars. You're waiting for the next day to come, if you know what I mean. Wow. So I'm going to tell you this. Be very, very careful of how you waste and spend your days.